Aside from being molested at a young age, the biggest factor that led me to my identity confusion or diving into SSA, same-sex attraction, was my father's neglect. Pagdating sa lalaki, hindi ako makakonect sa kanila and I always felt na I didn't belong. Dati hirap po ako kahit magsabi na, uy bro, hindi ko po kayang sabihin yun. Having an absentee father, it also had a huge impact on me. I never really had a strong desire to have or build my own family because I never saw a good example of what a healthy family should be. I've been a Christian and actively involved in ministry since 2011, but deep inside I was living a double life. Yes, praise God that I never hook up with men or live a promiscuous life, but I struggled with sexual fantasies, watching porn, and compulsive masturbation. But praise God, Jesus led me na mas makilala ko si God the Father through Living Waters last year. In Cross Current program, when I heard clearly the voice of Abba Father telling me, mahal kita, I'm proud of you. From being wala ko kaamor-amor, na-receive ko yung message ni Lord na mahal kita, I'm proud of you. In that moment, naramdaman ko po yung isang yakap ng Ama na never ko na-experience from my tatay. Praise God, no, after all these experiences, I have seen so many good fruits in my life. God has surrounded me with mighty men, and I no longer feel uncomfortable around them.